OnePlus is getting ready to grab everyone's attention this year with the launch of its highly anticipated flagship, the OnePlus 15. For months, people have been buzzing about leaks and rumors, and now, thanks to a recent Weibo post, we finally caught our first proper glimpse of the phone's redesigned look. The changes aren't just minor tweaks, they mark a real shift in the way OnePlus is approaching design. One of the most striking updates is the camera setup. Instead of the familiar circular camera island we've seen in past models, the OnePlus 15 now carries a square module with soft, rounded corners. The module houses 3 cameras, 2 neatly stacked together and 1 set apart, giving it a fresh, modern look that feels very different from its predecessors. While the front of the device hasn't been fully revealed yet, it's widely expected to feature a large 6.78-inch flat display. That means not only sharper visuals but also buttery smooth scrolling and ultra-responsive performance. Adding to its appeal, the OnePlus 15 will come in 3 distinct colors: Dune, Absolute Black, and Mist Purple. Dune is likely to be the standout color in most marketing campaigns, with its earthy and refined tone. Absolute Black takes things even further, being described as the deepest black ever seen on a smartphone, perfect for those who prefer a premium and stealthy look. Mist Purple, on the other hand, offers a unique blend, bold enough to stand out, but still subtle enough to feel elegant. Of course, design isn't the only highlight. Inside, the OnePlus 15 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, promising cutting-edge speed and efficiency. What makes this launch even more interesting is that OnePlus is now stepping away from its collaboration with Hasselblad. Instead, the company will introduce its own in-house image engine. On top of that, the phone is rumored to pack a massive 7000 mAh battery, supported by blazing fast 120 watts wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging. That means longer use times and quicker top-ups, keeping you powered throughout the day without hassle. All signs point to an official launch in October, and it's clear that this device is central to OnePlus's push into the high-end smartphone market. With its bold new design, powerful performance, enhanced cameras, and significant battery upgrades, the OnePlus 15 appears poised to be one of the most exciting phones of the year. The real question now is, does it live up to the hype for you? One thing that really stands out about the OnePlus 15 is how it reflects the company's effort to evolve with user demands. Over the years, OnePlus has built a reputation for delivering performance-focused phones at competitive prices. The combination of premium design, advanced hardware, and software innovations shows that OnePlus is no longer just chasing trends, it's setting them. This launch could very well redefine the way people view the brand, taking it from a value-for-money option to a true leader in the high-end smartphone space. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.